Hi, hello, good morning. I am telling a story. Story name is The Greedy Lion. Once a lion was very hungry, so he started to hunt for food and found a hare. But he thought a small hare cannot satisfy my hunger and scuffled. Then a deer Then a deer passed by and he decided to hunt. He ran behind the deer and cannot keep up with, the deer's speed. Tired lion went back to look for the hare, but it was gone. Moral of the story: greed is never a good thing. Thank you.